Hi guys, who are you? Hope so you will be fine. If you are coming first time on our channel, please subscribe our channel, like our videos and share these videos with your friend. Today I will teach you how you can change your iPhone text font size. If you use iPhone and you want to change text font size, then please watch this video. Let's start. Go in setting and search here for display and brightness. Guys, there are options for display and brightness. Click on it and then you can search here text size. You can see there text size option. Click on it and you can see that there are text size. You can, if want, you can increase it, then push them to a large A. You can see that our text size will be increased. You can see that their text font size will be increased. Let's see, we can decrease this. If you want to decrease this text size, push back this and you can see that their text size will be decreased. So guys, if you want to change your text font size, you have to use this option for increase and decrease your text font size. Now the problem is solved. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, comment here and share this video with your friend.